Hari Om. Good morning, dear students. All of you, welcome to my yoga class. Dear students, yoga is not a mere body movements. A vigilant and meaningful mind and breathing control are very essential in each specified body movements. So, it is not like a sports game or any other exercise. It can change you a pleasant, efficient, meaningful life. So you have to do your yoga practice very sincerely at every morning. Okay, now we are going to begin our yoga practice. As usual, we are starting with the yoga prayer. For that, you sit in Sukhasana, cross your legs, hands chin mudra. You hold your index finger on your middle of thumb. Okay. Then you keep your both palms on your knees. First you deep breathing. Stretch your spine. Relax your shoulders. Relax your whole body. Deep breathing at first. You close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Inhale deeply. Exhale very deeply. Inhale. Exhale. Continue this 10 times. 10 times deep breathing. Very slowly. Okay. Then come to prayer. Yoga prayer. Join your hands on your chest. Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes. Come to chant the prayer. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि. Shante Shante Shante. Next we are going to Vajrasana Yoga Mudra. Vajrasana Yoga Mudra. For that, you come to Vajrasana state. At first, sit in Vajrasana. Sit on your both heels. Then you make fist your both hands and keep it on your both thighs. Okay. Keep it on your both thighs. Both fist on your thighs. Then you stretch your spine. Take a deep breath. Hold for 2 seconds. You hold your breath in 2 seconds. Inside your breath. When you breathe out, you slowly bend forward and try to touch your forehead to the ground. Now just breathe out. You hold that 2 seconds. When you breathe in, slowly come back. Don't make any strain. You do the asanas very slow movement, slow and relaxed movement. Okay, continue. Breathe in. Hold your breath up to 2 seconds. When you move down, slowly breathe out. Now is breathe out. You hold the 2 seconds. Breathe in. Vajrasana Yoga Mudra. Variation of Vajrasana Yoga Mudra. You do this up to 10 times. Okay. After that you relax your body. Stretch your legs. Keep your hands back and relax. Relax and Shithila Dandasana. Okay. Next, Marjari Asana. We are going to Marjari Asana. Again, come to Vajrasana. The starting position, Vajrasana. From here, you keep your both forearm on the ground in front of your both knees. Again, one span forward. You keep your palms. Then knees 1 feet apart. Okay. When you breathe in, you slowly stretch your head up and you stretch your spine downward. When you breathe in, then breathe out, you make an arch your spine. This now is breathe out. Again, breathe in. Slowly raise your head up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Continue this asana up to 10 times. Marjari asana. Okay. It is very good for your flexibility, spinal flexibility. This Marjari asana is very good asana. Okay. Next, we are doing Vyagrasana. For that, at first you come in Vajrasana. Again, you keep your both forearm on the ground and one span forward your palms. At first you starting position of Marjari Asana. Okay. Then Next, now is doing Vyagrasana. When you breathe in slowly, raise your right leg up. Now is breathe in, stretch your spine. When you breathe out slowly, try to touch your knee with your nose. Okay. Now is breathe out and relax. The same at left side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Try to touch your knee, left knee with your nose. Relax. Okay. Vyagrasana. Continue. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. This also repeat 10 times. Okay. Vyagrasana. Then you relax your body. Stretch your legs. Keep your hands back. Then you relax your body. Next, we are doing Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. This is very beneficial. This is very good for your lungs, increase your lungs capacity. Okay. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. At first, you sit in Sukhasana, stretch your spine, relax your whole body, and make a deep breathing. Close your eyes. Inhale slowly. Exhale very slowly. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. 5 times you breathe, deep breathing 5 times. Then you make your right hand in pranayama mudra. Then you close your right nostril with your right thumb. You breathe in through your left nostril. Then you close your left, open your right, breathe out. Again, breathe in through your right nostril. Close your right nostril with your right thumb. Then open your left, breathe out. Again, breathe in left, breathe out through right, breathe in through right, breathe out through left. Continue this 10 times very slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. Continue this 10 times. Then you relax your body. You close your eyes. Again, deep breathing through both nostrils. Okay. Next, Shavasana. Come to Shavasana posture. At last, you being Shavasana at least 3 minutes. Okay. Lie on your back. Relax your whole body. Relax up to 3 minutes. Okay, then you slowly come to sitting posture. Turn your right side. Come to sitting posture. Sukhasana. Last year. Shanti Mudra. Again, deep breathing and Chin Mudra. Stretch your spine. Close your eyes. Relax your whole body. Deep breathings. Breathe in very slowly. Breathe out slowly. 10 times. Shanti Mantra. Join your hands on your chest. Close your eyes. Chant mantra. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Slowly rub your both palms. Keep your palms in cup shape and keep it on your both eyes. Slowly move your both palms through your cheek and you open your eyes. Okay, thank you.